In this video, I'll show you how to deploy your Base44 app on Vercel. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're signed up on both Vercel and Base44. Open your project on Base44, for example. I'll use my Business Flow app. If you want to deploy this project on Vercel, start by clicking on the GitHub code editing option in the top menu. From there, you'll need to export your project to GitHub. Keep in mind that exporting to GitHub requires an upgraded plan on Base44. Once your project is successfully exported, go to vercel.com. On the homepage, click on Start Deploying. Then, click Continue with GitHub to connect your account. Authorize Vercel to access your repositories. After that, you'll see a list of your GitHub projects. Find your Base44 project in the list and click Import. Next, you can name your project, choose a framework preset if needed, and set the root directory. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy. Vercel will now start building your project. You'll see a message that says Deployment Queued, followed by building logs. Wait a few moments for it to finish. Once it's complete, your Base44 app will be live and hosted on Vercel, and that's it. That's how you deploy your Base44 project on Vercel. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 and web development tutorials.